favorite things to do when debating a Republican, when I bother. Because there is no debate, because people are fucking crazy, and they think that they're smart. But one of my favorite things to do is to remind them that everything they've ever been for was either a failure or never actually happened. Hillary Clinton was supposed to go to prison. Prison! George W. Bush was supposed to usher in freedom in the Middle East. George W. Bush was supposed to get his face carved on Mount Rushmore. Of course, so was Trump. My point is, it doesn't matter what it is. Whatever Republican is for right now, in 2 years from now, they won't even fucking remember that that's what they were for. Ask any Republican. Most of them will tell you. They will look you dead in your fucking face and say, I was never for the war. I was against the war. The point is, don't worry. Whatever it is, ultimately, we always win.